Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to manage photos and videos permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on permission manager. Now in permission manager, scroll down and here click on photos and videos. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can use the photos and videos permissions. So if you want to deny a app to use the photos and videos permissions, then go to the allowed section and tap on that app, and from here select don't allow. Now click on don't allow anyway, and now this app is denied to use photos and videos permissions, and move to the not allowed section. So if you want to allow the app, then scroll down and go to the not allowed section, and here tap on the app that you want to allow and select always allow all. And now this app is allowed to use the photos and videos permissions and move to the allowed section. So that's how you can manage photos and videos permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.